My name is Tiresa Tupule and I'm here to inform you that we need your help onto saving the aquatic life. I don't know if you are aware of this situation, but the aquatic life is in danger, all because of human activities. Here are some threats and ways to help out the aquatic life. Without further ado, let's get back to our video. Polluting the ocean has become one of the most prevalent threats. If you are someone like my brother who always drinks soda and yet would just throw it in the ocean without being aware that it will affect the fishes, you see what happened is, once that trash enters the ocean, a lot of problems will occur. When the fishes attract their attention to the trash, they'll think it's food. Not only they will eat it, the trash may get stuck to the fish's gill, and it will be a problem for the fishes to breathe. Not only that, it will also be an irritation to the fish's eye. If you don't want the fishes to suffer, here are some ways to help out. If you see trash near the ocean, please pick it up. Do not litter. Always recycle, reuse, and reduce. Acidification. Acidification comes from the word acid. Acidification causes animals that are made from calcium carbonate to dissolve, such as planktons, corals, shells, etc., etc. Here are some pictures of before and after, 1976 to 2016. Acidification is caused by human activities. These human activities are vehicle emissions, deforestation, and the burning of fossil fuels. We can stop acidification by reducing carbon pollution. These threats are also ruining the food chain of the aquatic life. Acidification are damaging corals, which is one of the food sources of the fishes. Polluting the ocean may also affect the ocean food chain. Fishes and marine plants die, flourishing bacteria, causing disease and disruption to the aquatic life food chain. All we have to do is 2 easy steps. No more polluting. No. Secondly, reduce carbon pollution. That is when acidification will start. Well, thank you. Credits to my brother for helping me with my video.